Hey there! Want to use all the premium features of CapCut Pro without spending a single dollar? And legally? Then stay with me until the end of this video, because I'm going to show you step by step how to unlock all the Pro tools for free with a method that almost no one talks about. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a like. It really helps the channel. Thanks for the support. Now let's dive in. Step 1. Open CapCut. Once you've installed and opened CapCut, you'll notice that you're using the free version, no Pro access yet. But no worries. We'll unlock those features easily. Step 2. Change the save location. Let's first go to Settings. Settings again. Look for the option Save To under Draft Settings. Click the little folder icon and select a location that's easy to access, like your Documents folder. Then hit Save. Step 3. Create a new project. Now go ahead and click on Create Project. Import your video clips and drop them into the timeline. Just do a quick basic edit to test it out. Step 4. Add Pro features. You'll notice that some features like music, stickers, emojis, filters, transitions, and auto subtitles have a diamond icon, which means they're Pro only. But here's the trick. Even though they're marked as Pro, you can still use them freely within your timeline. For example, add background music marked as Pro. Add Pro emojis, stickers, transitions. Add filters and visual effects. Step 5. Avoid the payment prompt when exporting. After you're done editing, if you click on Export, CapCut will ask you to upgrade to Pro because of the premium elements used. Here's how to bypass that without paying anything. Step 6. Go back to the editing screen. Zoom out your timeline so you see your full project. Select the entire timeline. Right-click, choose Create Combined Clip. Right-click again and choose Pre-Process Combined Clip. Wait until the processing reaches 100%. Boom! Your video is now processed and ready to export. No watermark and no Pro subscription needed. Step 7. Find your exported video. Now, open the folder you chose earlier. Documents and CapCut Draft. Find your right project folder. Open it and go into Resources and Combination, and there you'll find your fully exported video. You can preview it and you'll see. All your edits are intact. The Pro transitions, emojis, subtitles, music, everything is there. And no watermark at all. And that's it. Now you know how to use CapCut Pro 100% for free, with no cracks, no hacks, and no watermarks. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this trick with your friends. See you in the next tutorial.